Welcome back to Future Drive channel, the next new 2027 Lamborghini Urus Widebody Concept. Before we begin, remember this is a creative concept inspired by Lamborghini's design philosophy and future performance trends, not an officially announced production model. If you're passionate about exotic cars, futuristic SUVs, and jaw-dropping automotive design, make sure you subscribe to Future Drive and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. The Lamborghini Urus has completely transformed the luxury performance SUV market since its debut, proving that an SUV can deliver supercar excitement without sacrificing everyday usability. But what if Lamborghini decided to push the Urus even further? What if engineers and designers were given complete freedom to create the most aggressive, technologically advanced, and visually dramatic Urus ever imagined? That's exactly what the 2027 Lamborghini Urus Widebody Concept represents at first glance. This futuristic concept immediately commands attention. The body is noticeably wider than the standard Urus, creating an intimidating stance that looks ready to dominate both the road and the racetrack. Massive carbon fiber fender flares seamlessly blend into the sculpted bodywork, while aggressive air intakes direct airflow toward the brakes and engine. Every angle has been carefully designed to maximize aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining Lamborghini's unmistakable DNA. The front fascia takes inspiration from Lamborghini's latest supercars with razor-sharp LED matrix headlights, an oversized front splitter, and enormous air intakes that not only improve cooling, but also generate additional downforce at high speeds. The Y-shaped daytime running lights have evolved into a more futuristic signature, giving the SUV an unmistakable identity even from hundreds of meters away. Moving along the sides, the wider track transforms the vehicle's proportions. Huge 24-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in ultra-high performance tires perfectly fill the widened arches. Carbon fiber side skirts channel airflow beneath the SUV while visually lowering its stance. Flush electronic door handles preserve the clean profile, while lightweight digital mirrors replace conventional side mirrors, reducing aerodynamic drag. The rear design is equally spectacular. Large active carbon fiber diffuser dominates the lower section, accompanied by a redesigned bumper and an adaptive rear wing that automatically adjusts according to speed and driving conditions. Slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, connected by an illuminated Lamborghini, a badge that creates an unforgettable nighttime appearance. That the quad titanium exhaust system produces a thunderous soundtrack while reducing overall weight. Underneath this dramatic exterior lies an advanced hybrid performance system that takes Lamborghini engineering to another level. Imagine a twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 working alongside multiple electric motors to produce a combined output of approximately 900 horsepower. This futuristic powertrain would deliver immediate electric torque while preserving the emotional roar of the iconic V8 engine. Lamborghini's latest hybrid systems already demonstrate the company's commitment to electrified performance, making such an evolution entirely believable for a future concept. Power is delivered through an intelligent all-wheel drive system capable of constantly adjusting torque distribution between each wheel. Whether launching from a standstill or attacking tight mountain roads, the system ensures maximum traction and incredible stability. Performance figures would be nothing short of astonishing. The 2027 Urus Widebody Concept could accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, placing it firmly in supercar territory. Despite its SUV proportions, top speed could exceed 205 miles per hour, while advanced launch control ensures consistently breathtaking acceleration. Every single time, handling would receive a major upgrade as well. Active air suspension constantly adjusts ride height depending on driving conditions, lowering the vehicle at highway speeds to improve stability while raising it for rough terrain. Rear-wheel steering enhances agility in city driving while increasing Stability during high-speed cornering. Torque vectoring continuously optimizes power delivery, allowing this high-performance SUV to corner with remarkable precision. Braking performance would be equally impressive, thanks to enormous carbon ceramic brake discs paired with lightweight multi-piston calipers. Regenerative braking from the hybrid system would recover energy while contributing to smoother deceleration and improved efficiency. Step inside, and the cabin becomes a showcase of futuristic luxury. Sustainable forged carbon fiber, premium Alcantara, and handcrafted leather combine with recycled high-performance materials to create an interior that feels both luxurious and environmentally conscious. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around the driver, placing every essential control within effortless reach. A fully digital curved display stretches across the dashboard, integrating the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger display into one seamless interface. Artificial intelligence personalizes the driving experience by learning driver preferences, automatically adjusting seating position, climate settings, suspension calibration, and even preferred driving modes. Voice control becomes more natural than ever, allowing drivers to manage navigation, entertainment, climate control, and vehicle settings through simple conversational commands. Augmented reality head-up displays project navigation instructions directly onto the windshield, ensuring drivers remain focused on the road ahead. Despite its incredible performance, practicality remains an essential part of the Urus philosophy. 4 individual sports seats provide exceptional comfort during long journeys, while generous cargo space ensures the SUV remains suitable for weekend adventures or everyday use. Active noise cancellation creates a quiet cabin during relaxed cruising, but allows the thrilling engine soundtrack to fill the interior whenever sport or Corsa mode is selected. The concept also introduces advanced autonomous technology designed to complement, not replace, the driving experience. Highway assistance can handle long-distance cruising, while advanced parking systems effortlessly maneuver the vehicle into tight urban spaces. Multiple LiDAR sensors, radar units, cameras, and artificial intelligence continuously monitor the surroundings, improving safety without diminishing driver engagement. Lighting technology reaches new heights with laser-enhanced LED headlights capable of automatically adjusting beam patterns to maximize visibility while preventing glare for oncoming traffic. Animated welcome sequences greet owners as they approach the vehicle, creating a dramatic first impression every time. Aerodynamics play an even greater role than appearance alone. Active front air curtains, electronically controlled grille shutters, adaptive spoilers, and underbody airflow management work together to maximize both efficiency and high-speed stability. Every aerodynamic component has a specific purpose, ensuring the SUV performs as aggressively as it looks. Weight reduction remains another priority. Extensive use of carbon fiber, forged aluminum, magnesium components, and advanced composite materials helps offset the additional weight introduced by the hybrid powertrain. The result is improved acceleration, sharper handling, shorter braking distances, and greater overall efficiency. Customization possibilities would be virtually limitless. Buyers could select from exclusive matte finishes, exposed carbon fiber body panels, forged carbon accents, bespoke interior stitching, personalized embroidery, illuminated door sills, custom wheel finishes, and individually commissioned paint colors through Lamborghini's Ad Personam program. Now let's talk about perhaps the biggest question. Everyone asks, how much would this incredible machine cost? Since this is a speculative concept rather than an officially announced production model, there is no confirmed price. However, considering the estimated pricing of upcoming high-performance 2027 Urus models, plus the addition of exclusive wide-body components, advanced hybrid technology, and limited production status, a realistic estimate for the 2027 Lamborghini Urus Widebody Concept would be around $285,000 to $320,000 before personalization. Highly customized examples equipped with bespoke carbon fiber, options and exclusive finishes could easily exceed $350,000. This estimate is based on current expectations. For high-end 2027 Urus variants and the cost of premium wide-body conversions, already available for existing Urus models. Ultimately, the 2027 Lamborghini Urus Widebody Concept represents more than just another luxury SUV. It showcases what becomes possible when breathtaking design, electrified performance, cutting-edge technology, and Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of excitement come together in one extraordinary package. It remains practical enough for everyday life while delivering performance capable of challenging many dedicated supercars. Whether this exact vehicle ever reaches production or simply remains an inspiring concept, one thing is certain: the future of high-performance SUVs has never looked more exciting. Lamborghini continues pushing boundaries, proving that innovation and emotion can coexist even in an era of electrification. So what do you think about this incredible vision of the future? Would you choose the 2027 Lamborghini Urus Widebody Concept over a Ferrari Purosangue, Aston Martin DBX 707, Bentley Bentayga Speed, or Rolls-Royce Cullinan? Share your thoughts in the comments below because we'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed today's journey into the future of automotive design, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and most importantly, subscribe to Future Drive for more futuristic car concepts, luxury automotive reviews, and the latest innovations shaping the future of driving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.